RTVNOF. Zomerradio. Zomerradio.
Well, I took a stroll, the old long walk on the day. I met a little girl and we started to talk on a fine soft day. And it's too friend, what a fella to do. If her hair was black and her eyes were blue, and I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl from the Southfield from me to Galway, girl. Down all the old long walk on the she asked me out to a flat downtown on a fine soft day. And I asked two friends, what's the fella to do? Oh, if her hair was black and her eyes blue, and I knew right then, and I love in this world, and I lost my heart to the Galway girl. All alone, with no money down and no ticket home. And I asked you, friend, what a fella to do. If her hair was black and her eyes were blue, and I knew right then I'm in love with this world. Yeah, I fell in love with a Galway girl.
RTVNOF. Zomerradio. Zomerradio.